Hey everybody, my name is Tauman, and in this video I will show you how you can simply change sprays in Valorant. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just simply in Valorant, and now just go to collections in the right top corner, and here you're gonna see on the left down sprays. So you can like pre-round spray and you can change it, equip. Now we got a mid-round, we can go with this one, and now we can change the seeker spray on the post-round spray. And this is pretty much how we do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. You know how it works. And yeah, have a great day everybody, and goodbye.